Time now for trade of the day within the property sector, and it is?
Look, it's a very interesting scenario with those three parties all wrangling for control of each other. So, I mean, we could be in any one of those, and deal-related situations are always complicated. I think the one to go for, though, is Redefine. So I think we're going to make that the trade of the day.
Is it dependent on Fountainhead or not?
I think it is. I think it is. And that means that the catalyst could take time to unfold. But there's just a combination of factors leads me to believe that given that they already own the Fountainhead Property Management Company, that Mark Wayner is going to succeed in buying this one.
You've just put yourself firmly. If this becomes a fisticuffs, you firmly now in Mark Wayner's camp. I'm sure Norbert Sass is not going to take kindly to your allegiance on this front.
Look, Norbert Sass is the kind of fellow, if he was your headmaster at your child's school, you'd be absolutely thrilled. But if you had to choose someone fun to spend a drunken weekend with, it would definitely be Mark Wayner. So that's a colourful situation. That's an exciting opportunity for them, and I think they're going to win, and that's going to unlock value in the share price.
Lavan, you agree hands down because you've loved all these stocks across the board.
And I agree. I'd like to just layer on this. There's a few cautions. Obviously, mining rights has been an issue. Property rights hasn't been discussed enough. We've also got issues in terms of the budget next week. If there's any surprises, any ways to up taxes, and that's going to affect these companies, notwithstanding what we've already said, I think Redefine's a much better fit, and so I'd go with Redefine.
Well, I'm glad, gentlemen, we've got consensus. You want to make one more point?
Yeah, one final thing is, in the old days, property stocks went up and down as a function of investor yields and rising interest rates and all of that thing. My sense is that that game has somewhat run its course. South African property stocks have become globally attractive, so the yields have been compressed. You're not going to get these kind of capital unlifts again, unless you have some kind of deal-related unlock. And hence my interest in the Redefine story.